17 years ago, I tried to build an electric vehicle, and it was an absolute disaster. I was an inexperienced 18-year-old farm kid with big dreams, a passion for the environment, and a desire to change the world. It started with great intentions, but I was working on a tiny budget and seriously limited resources. I stepped out on the wrong foot with a rust bucket 80s Dodge Daytona and followed it up with a series of incredibly poor decisions.
I think he's only got one battery in there.
That's dead. Not enough juice.
Give him a little push, get him going, Dad. You need to be going downhill, Kyle. It goes better. Something just smoked there.
Where? Smoke in your motor.
I added an underpowered motor, a comically heavy lead-acid battery pack with a whopping 10 kilowatt hours of capacity, and some, let's just say, questionable electrical practices.
I think I'm pretty sure I found what it was. Here's the jumper wire that goes from the other side, A1 to A2 or something like that. Anyways, if you notice, there are lots and lots of bubbles and charring and you name it. This was not strong enough. So we got contactor rigged up there. Here's my contactor battery and my redneck controller. Well, here it is after test number 2. The wire's a little discolored. Nice hand warmer. Oh boy. A lot of snow. Oh boy. Oh, there's smoke. Go check her out. I think that's it. Wire got a little warm.
But despite all the issues, I actually got it running. I reached the testing phase, I saw the light at the end of the tunnel, and I took it out for its first full test drive. I traveled 10 whole miles before being towed back home on a dead battery.
Today it's April 11th. I was gonna bring the car over to my aunt's for supper last night. So it's dusty. But it didn't have enough juice to get over there. I don't know if the batteries weren't charged or I don't know what the deal was.
Somewhat defeated, I pulled into the garage to charge the car using 11 individual 12-volt chargers. And that's when disaster struck. I was connecting an alligator clamp when I accidentally shorted a section of the 120-volt battery pack directly to chassis ground. Huge mistake. The motor controller instantly exploded. The batteries dumped 100% of their power straight to the motor, and I was standing directly in front of the car. Thankfully, the transmission was in neutral, or I would have been run over. Funds were tight, and the design errors made it impossible to continue. The project was dead. But looking back now, I'm incredibly thankful I took that leap. I'm thankful my friends, family, and community believed in this wild idea some small-town high school kid had. Because it was that exact project and failure that inspired me to pursue a career in electronics. Well, it's been 17 years. The technology has finally caught up to the dream. I have a much better plan and thankfully a better budget. It's time for a comeback. We're doing it all over again. There will definitely still be poor decisions, plenty of shenanigans, and a lot of junkyard runs. But this time, we're building it right. Welcome to Resistor Garage. Hit subscribe and let's build back this dream one piece at a time.